In this video, we will discuss about material management and organizational structure. Material management (MM) is a key area within logistics in SAP. MM is a part of logistic functions and it helps in managing the procurement activities of an organization. It supports all aspects of material management like planning, controlling, etc. It is the backbone of logistics that incorporate models such as sales and distribution, production planning, plant maintenance, project system and warehouse management. MM is a very important component of logistics. It consists of the following component like a purchasing process, invoice verification, inventory management, consumption based planning, information system, material requirement planning, material and vendor master data, account determination and material value. Our next topic is menu paths for MM configuration. SPRO stands for SAP Project Reference Object. IMG stands for SAP Customizing Implementation Guide. Okay, our first menu path is IMG. Then click on Enterprise Structure. Then click on Definition. Our second menu path is IMG. Click on Enterprise Structure. Then click on Assignment. Our third menu path is IMG. Click on Logistic General and then Material Master. And our fourth menu path is IMG. Then click on Material Management. Now I am show you menu paths for MM configuration practically in SAP Server. Our next topic is organizational structure for material management. Configuring an accurate organizational structure is a key to a successful SAP implementation from material management perspective. The organizational structure in MM consists of the following organizational levels. First, client, then company code, plant, storage location, purchasing organization, purchasing group. It puts the client at the topmost, followed by multiple company code, followed by multiple plants having a multiple storage location with their own or centralized purchasing organization. Figure shows one client having a number of company codes, one company codes having a number of one plant having a number of storage location, one storage location having a number of purchasing organization, and one purchasing organization having a number of purchasing group. I will explain each organizational level one by one. Our first organization level is client. According to hierarchy, client is at highest level in SAP system. It has its own set of master data with independent table sets. Data that is maintained at client level is valid for all organizational levels. It can be identified by a 3 characters alphanumeric code like 800 ABC. Our second organizational level is company code. Within a client, a company code is an independent accounting unit. It is a legal entity that has its own profit, loss, and balance statement, identified by a 4-character alphanumeric code like 1000 SJ10. Our third organizational level is plant. In industry terminology, a manufacturing facility is called as plant. Plant is an organizational unit within a company where activities takes place. A plant will produce goods and make goods available for the company. It is a unit having manufacturing facilities, warehouse distribution center, a regional sales office within logistics, identified by a 4 alphanumeric code like 9000, SJ77. Our fourth organizational level is storage location. Storage location is a place where stock is kept placed physically. Plant consisting of multiple storage locations. Inventory management on a quantity basis is carried out at the storage location. Storage location is an organizational unit which actually differentiates between a different material stock in a plant, identified by a 4-character alphanumeric code like 0001, SJ77. Our fifth organizational level is purchasing organization. A purchasing organization is an organizational unit under a company or a plant that is responsible for a procurement activity according to requirements. It is responsible for external procurement. A purchasing organization can be at a client level, which is known as centralized purchasing organization. A purchasing organization can be at a company or plant level, which is known as company specific or plant specific organization. Purchasing organization identified by a 4-character alphanumeric code like SS01 or SS70. In purchasing organization, there are a different form of purchasing. First is centralized purchasing. Purchasing organization is not assigned to any company code. It procures for all company codes belonging to different client is known as centralized purchasing. Second is company specific purchasing. Purchasing organization is assigned to company code only. The plant belonging to company code can purchase through this purchasing organization is known as company specific purchasing. Third is plant specific purchasing. Purchasing organization is assigned to a plant. Only this specific plant can purchase through this purchasing organization is known as plant specific. Last organization level is purchasing group. It is a buyer or a group of buyers responsible for the procurement activities in a purchasing organization. Purchasing group is an organizational unit responsible for the everyday procurement activities within an organization. It can be identified by 3 characters alphanumeric code like SJ0, 111. This is all about material management and organizational structure. Our next topic is define organizational structure. And thanks for watching my video.